Kumba Julong Manla Usnam ka Sanchnong Youth Welfare Organization minta ka kenti ka penhap perdano ya ka third SSYWO Free Inter-School Knockout Football Tournament Arjar Pusau and Sport Meet kebala sedang neduk art putrik bat kut live putrik ya yong Arjar Pusau kebala penlong hamadan marbanyang sen yong sadau hagane ka third SSYWO Free Inter-School Knockout Football kidan palat kat prateli ki school na Mylliem block bat Mawphlang block bila wan Shim menta hakjing lekai ba pher nadu ka sngi sedang hadu ka sngi kut kajing temu jong ka SSYWO man penlong yak ne ka sport meet kalong Bynta man kentiu yak ka mi lekai sport hakathan bat ban ailat ki khana school jong ka te ka than makin yo man pen i yak sap ka phong jong ki halaka jong ka benta ka ba ki don hakane ka sngi pen kut yak ne jing lekai ka long ka ba yaj bet yaj renti bat ipu iping na ka jing Shim menta renti ki khana nadu ka match pass bat kui ki jing lekai kan thop ka football ki khana kan thai bat khana shinrang la sakhiru baki kimi ki kpa jong ki khana school ki lawan man ai men sim ki nong hi kai nolor ki pai ba ki balwan pet kai hagane ka sngi
On behalf of the Sanchnong Youth Welfare Organization, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the students who participated in the drill display and march past on your outstanding accomplishments. Your precise motion and synchronization were amazing, demonstrating not just your individual skill, but also the power of your teamwork. I would also like to convey my deepest congratulations to all the competitors who took part in various sporting events. Your hard work, dedication, and sportsmanship in achieving perfection is truly commendable. To the winners, I say, enjoy your victory. But remember, that achievement entails more than just taking home trophies. It's about the voyage, the knowledge gained, and the relationship established along the route. Make the most of this accomplishment to set yourself up for future success. To the non-winners, I advise not to be disheartened, not to be discouraged. Use this experience as motivation, as inspiration to strive to work harder, push your limits, challenge your boundaries, and never give up on your goals. Remember that true victories is built on the courage to overcome adversity. Last but not least, before I return to my seat, I take this opportunity to remind you all, dear students, that the fighting spirit you demonstrated during the football tournament and athletics and arena games must be the same fighting spirit you should have in your studies. Because your parents and teachers want you to succeed in all you do. Once again, congratulations to all competitors and winners, and I wish you all the best to everyone. Here's to many more years of friendly competition, the unity and sportsmanship. Youth Welfare Organization, I to play the Baro Dinong Shakat Soba. I to play Ru Yaki Kanaskol, Kibalaya Shim Bynta, but Gomjoro Ikanaskol, Kibawan, Panyasin Ranang, Yaki Naya Shim Bynta, Hakani, a football tournament, and a sports meet. I to play Gripangru. Kibalawan, Pansenran, yang lagi jom kikon kijong pi. Kacing don kijong pi, kita kasih, kalanang ay mensem. Kalau pentok penpeng, ya kani kasih, kama menta. Kacing petang kijong ni, pan penlong, ya kani ka football tournament maka sports meet. Kalang pan island. Yaki kena school di mana tan lu kendong di jongi bakin yo ban pengi ya kasap ya kapong ke jongi bakin yo ban kilan men bakin yo kendo para kena dikiwai pergi school ban kam tam bakin suto ya kacing tibet ke jongi aba yo ban yare kai ban kiwai di para kena dikiwai pergi school. Maka kubur kabar, aku akan kasih cipi Bynta. Kalau pada kabagi tundong, ya kini ke tournament, buat ke sports meet. Iyo ke report, lagi nom high school, lagi nom junior school, bah ke enrollment lagi school kijongki, kalau nak dia. Buat kabar kamsu kena cucu. Kalau bagi do kena kiba pep school si tangkor dilawan pan peteng biang ya kicing puli kijongki Shim bakani kadai kacing job kabakrau ya kaseng ke jongi